Hello everyone, good evening. This is Anumita. So, what you guys are doing? I am doing very bad, and why I am making this video, I don't know actually why I am doing this. Uh, yeah, I could have come live on Facebook, Instagram, or whatever I am using, but I choose to make this video. Yeah, I think yes, if I come live, then these people can see who people are following me, who people are seeing me, or who people are connected with that. But this video, if I upload it, followers can come and many people can see. So this is why I think I'm making a video. And guys, this is my no makeup look. Let me show you. This is my no makeup look. I haven't used any kind of makeup. I thought I could have done, but I don't know why should I do, because if I am not good looking and my skin is not fit, then people must know. The people who are following me must know that I am not that kind of beautiful. But putting some makeup and hurting my skin is not a better option I choose. So this is my no makeup look, and I'm not putting any kind of chemical on my face, because as you guys know that we are staying at home in this lockdown. So the people who belong to this industry, which I belong, must not be giving many time to their skin, and this is the actual time to give a proper treatment at home to our skin, so that our skin will be better, and we can also feel better. So I choose not to use any kind of makeup, not to put on any kind of chemicals on my face. So this is my no makeup look, and without any kind of creams even I am using. So I think it's going better. You say me, what about my skin? What do you feel about this? You say me. So guys, it's really tough to stay at home 24/7, and who used to be outside 24/7, and this is really tough for them. I really understand that, and I really respect all the warriors, but I consider ourselves as a warrior who all are staying at home, and many congratulations. We are winning this, because in the motivation, in the way we are staying at home is really commendable, I can say. And I really appreciate those people, especially I repeat that those people who used to be outside for any kind of work and who are working at home. They must be they must get praise, and this is really praiseworthy. Yeah, I really understand how tough is it, because being a girl, I'm staying at home 24/7, and I know how it feels. And trust me, within these days, only for 1 hour, 1 or 2 hours, I have been to the doctor. I am consulting for the. I'm having some nail problems in my hand, and so that's the reason I had been to the doctor. And only twice I had been outside, and you count the days when we are living at home without going outside. I am at home, and I really appreciate my patience. Trust me guys, I never ever tried this and this is the first time I am staying at home. ज़िंदगी ने इतना सारा हल्का मतलब इतना सारा क्या बोलूँ, रेस्ट दे दिया है ना, कुछ नहीं चाहिए अब. प्लीज़ भगवान ये सब कुछ ठीक हो जाए और हम लोग वैसे के वैसे बाहर जाए और जो काम करते थे वो करें, क्योंकि द सिचुएशन हैज gone worst because I couldn't expect to resolve this very soon, but yes, I don't know when it will be, when we can come back. Even I don't expect, and in this stage I cannot even switch any other profession. So this is very tough, and you must be saying that why this girl is saying this and demotivating people, so demoralizing people. So no, this is not this is the way I can share my emotions. This is the only way to make myself better, and we can do something. If we're getting that kind of time, I mean, we don't have other options, right? So we cannot go out. If we are going outside, then we will harm ourselves as well as our family. So this is not done, na? We cannot do that. So if we have to stay at home, we have to do something for ourselves. Let's take a challenge, as I have taken a challenge of losing some weight. So I'm on the process. I will lose some weight, and within 2 months, I think, because if there must be some people who knows me, they know that I'm so lazy and I never tried any kind of workout exercise. I never stick to it. So I'm doing this kind of exercise every day to make it happen, and I'm feeling better actually. This works, and I'm feeling really good that I'm sticking to an exercise, and I'm giving some time to my skin. And you know what, some days before somebody asked me to do a video for a very renowned college. I don't take the name. Of course I won't. He must be saying this. So he told me to make a video to promote their college and something. So I did. He used to say that I am so beautiful without makeup, and actually I look very beautiful according to him. And after making that video without makeup, that was my no makeup look, and I made it and I sent it, and after that he is saying, you are so beautiful, I agree with that, but you must have taken a kind of a layer of lipstick and a kind of eye tassel. He doesn't know the names, but he just told that. I thought, if I look so better, if I look so beautiful according to you said, so it's okay. If I look so better, then why should I take some makeup and why should I harm my skin without any reason? So even after that, I made it. I took some eyeliner, I took some kaajal, and I made a layer of lipstick, and after that I did it, and trust me, that video didn't work. Trust me. So this was an instance to convey that we should do what we want to. We should do what we feel comfortable with. So guys, I'm not saying that we shouldn't put on any kind of makeup, and I also use some makeup, and I also put on some makeup when I go to my show, and this is actually necessary to increase your confidence level and to make yourself confident it is actually necessary to look beautiful and look better what you are. But in these times where I am giving a proper time to myself, and where I am giving a proper time to my skin, I don't prefer to use any kind of makeup, and I did not. So yeah, if you like this video, if you want this kind of video, then let me know, I will make. And if you don't like, please don't abuse me, and if you did so, I will block you. Or do good, be good, stay healthy, stay fit, stay beautiful indoors, and happy quarantine guys. Thank you for watching, and love you all.